friends, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Marie and today we're going to be making a nice light treat. We're going to be making some macaroons with some leftover egg whites. I had made some eggnog and used just the egg yolks in that recipe, and I was left with 6 egg whites and found this recipe that required 6 egg whites, so it's the perfect way to use up my ingredients. For this recipe, all you'll need is egg whites, sugar, vanilla, salt, and coconut. I am doubling this recipe, so it is going to take 10 cups of coconut, which is quite a bit, but they'll get eaten. To my bowl, I'm going to add the 6 egg whites, one and 1/3 of a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla. Then I'm going to whisk that together and then add in my coconut. And keep mixing until it's light and foamy. Now I'm going to try my best to incorporate the 10 cups of coconut without making too big of a mess. I definitely used too small of a bowl, but we're making it work. Now that I have all of the ingredients incorporated, I'm going to scoop it onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet and then bake it. I ended up baking these for 25 minutes like the recipe called, but it was a bit too long, so I would recommend checking them at 20 minutes. I think that might have been a better time to take them out. Scoop onto a baking sheet and then bake for about 20 minutes at 350. After the cookies cooled, I melted down some chocolate chips with some coconut oil and dipped the bottom of each macaroon into the chocolate and then drizzled some more on top for the finishing touches. My kids really enjoyed these macaroons. I think if I were to make them again, I would try baking them for a little less time, but otherwise these turned out great. That's it for this recipe. Thank you so much for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.